Meaning of heating.
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 Heating. Heating refers to the process of increasing the temperature of a substance or an object. This can be achieved through various methods such as burning, electric current, friction, or chemical reactions. The result of heating depends on the context in which it is applied. For example, heating food can make it more palatable and easy to digest, while heating metals can alter their physical properties and make them easier to shape or mold. However, excessive heating can also cause damage or destruction depending on the substance involved.